Sit. Get it. What can make your truck go like Peanut goes for a piece of steak? Boost. Let's look. Good boy. Okay, I usually don't really do the whole unboxing thing. Like, I bought some stuff, and I tell you where to buy it if you want it. But this, I'm pretty damn excited about. Dun 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 dun. If you don't know Cheech and Chong, you suck. I didn't even get high and I know Cheech and Chong. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. Bobby, get out of here. Eat it. That's Bobby McGee. He likes to help. It's not very helpful, but he tried. So what we got here? A little pamphlet. Max speeding rods. Woo! Some instructions or something. Customer service. Who the hell cares? Some foam blocks. My cats are gonna go bananas over. This is a lot of foam blocks. Good gravy. Alright, I will be right back for the money shot. Get it, Nina. Get it. Hazel, get out of the video. That's hazelnut. Because I got peanut and hazelnut and this turbo. And this turbo's a BFD. Folks, let me tell you what. So yeah, that's peanut, that's hazelnut, obviously that's Brazilian nut, and this is turbo. That's how that works. I guess this discharge tube, I'm told, is not a standard size. Well, you got your typical oil drain, smallish T4 exhaust inlet, oil drain, loosen up the bolts, clock it around where you need it. Let me put this on the floor. That is it. That's the guy. So I'm gonna have to clock this down. You know, you guys can clock it however you want, however you need. You loosen up these bolts on the back side. We'll get into that when the time comes. This should be good for 14 psi or so on a 6-liter. Which should be good for better than 600 horsepower on a 6-liter. Which should be good for a good time. I got this from Max Speeding Rods on eBay. That's Bobby McGee. He's here to help. I think I already said that. They are taking leaps into your vehicle. Woohoo! That doesn't sound very good. But hey, some things get lost in translation, right? So there's the turbo portion of the Darrell build. And it's a GT45. I got it from Max Speeding Rods on eBay. At this time in February of 2018, it was $178 with free shipping. I offered $165. They countered with $168, which I accepted. So I paid $168 for this turbocharger. If it's a T4 flange, some people will tell you that it's undersized for a 6-liter. It probably is. It may be. I don't really know. I don't really care. It's a $168 turbo shipped to my door, and there are literally thousands of these things out running around on the roads, tearing shit up, and going fast, and giving people happy times. Peanut's pretty happy about it. Aren't you, buddy? Are you so happy about turbos? You're going to be in the truck like, wah, wah, wah. Show him your wah face. Oh, you want some more steak? All right, go get some more steak. Peanut's excited too. We're excited. So stay tuned for more. And know that I'm always moving forward, even if videos aren't always coming out. So, you know, sometimes it doesn't work out. Sometimes it does. In this case, it did. So, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. I'll try to leave a link to the eBay store where I got it from. And we'll continue on. Thanks, guys. See ya.